When taking a firearm to the range for the first time, it sometimes can be a crapshoot. I am sure that you have experienced not so full confidence in the firearm, or with your authority over the firearm, the first time out. Only after firing a few rounds do you become accustomed to the firearm, and finding your rhythm with it may be successful, or not at all. My goal with any of my range sessions is to evaluate the firearm's basic functioning and accuracy, and then share my evaluation with you, for whatever that is worth. I have shot the Sig Sauer P365XL with and without optic, and although they were excellent pistols, the macro, being a bit different, could bring about a different story. So, let me get into the shooting part, make comments throughout the session, and, as by usual, provide a synopsis at the end of the session.